that they have raised time and again with even protests is the SIR, the Election Commission exercise that is underway in Bihar. Now, the Election Commission has completed the first phase of the highly controversial Special Intensive Revision exercise in Bihar, and the numbers are quite staggering to say the least. Ahead of the crucial state assembly elections, the Election Commission has put out their findings after the first phase of the mammoth exercise. As the poll body completes the enumeration phase of the exercise, let's take a look at the numbers as they stand currently. This is, remember, after the EC has conducted this exercise already. Let's talk about the voter roll revision in Bihar. How many are going to be dropped? The numbers are said to be 65 lakh. So 7.24 crore forms have been collected so far. The opposition has been alleging that there will be disenfranchisement. But look at what the Election Commission has actually found. They have found in their entire exercise that as many as 22 lakh people who were enrolled have now died. Now, 36 lakh have permanently shifted or they were not found, which is a big number. So these are some of the numbers that the Election Commission is talking about. When the opposition raises these issues, the EC has responded and said, should we allow even the dead to vote? Saying that what the opposition has been raising does not make sense because the numbers on ground are completely different. 7 lakh were said to be enrolled at multiple places, again in violation of the rules. Now, the opposition, though, is alarmed at the prospect of having 65 lakh voters removed from the revised voter list. That's the number that has been given. And the opposition says that many real voters, genuine voters, are also being dropped. The opposition goes on to claim that these 65 lakh voters who face the risk of being removed may not even have a chance to get it corrected. And that's the reason why they have raised objections.
देश भर में इसको लागू करने की बात की जा रही है क्या?
वो तो बात की बात है, पहले बिहार तो निपटे, चुनाव तो बिहार में है।
सर, ये जो
अगर बिहार में गलत है तो देश भर में भी गलत है।
सर, ये
वो भी
60 लाख लोगों को बाहर निकालने का कि भाई निकल गए हैं, ये सब चीजें, ये कितना खतरनाक इसको आप मानते हैं?
60 लाख तो ट्रेलर भी नहीं है, आप समझे ही नहीं है बात को। 60 लाख की सूची है सिर्फ एक बिना दस्तावेज के कागज अर्जी देने की, उसमें मृत हैं कुछ 20-25 और लोग जो नहीं मिले हैं। अब इसके बाद वो दस्तावेज के आधार पर और एक्सक्लूड करेंगे, जो उनका खुद का कहना है। तो अगर उन्होंने कहा कि हम जो दस्तावेज हैं इसके बाद देखेंगे, तो 60 लाख तो एक बहुत छोटा नंबर है, उसमें बहुत त्रुटियां हैं, बहुत।
But the Election Commission soon fact-checked the opposition's claims. The Chief Election Commissioner made it clear that this is just a draft list and a month has been given for all voters to raise objections if they feel that they are being wrongfully included or removed from the revised voter rolls. Citing the EC's response, the BJP is also accusing the Congress and their allies of targeting constitutional bodies and has also likened it to what they call the emergency mindset.
कमीशन पे ये दर्शाता है कि 50 साल अभी इमरजेंसी के हुए माइंडसेट नहीं बदला है। 50 साल पहले इंदिरा गांधी जी कहती थी कि इलेक्शन की वैलिडिटी, इलेक्शन की मान्यता इस आधार पर तय होगी कि मैं चुनाव जीती या नहीं। आज 50 साल बाद राहुल गांधी यही कह रहे हैं कि मैं चुनाव जीता या नहीं इसके आधार के ऊपर तय होगा। और मैं राहुल गांधी से पूछना चाहता हूं, भाई आपके हिसाब से इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कश्मीर में बहुत अच्छा काम किया, पंजाब में बहुत अच्छा काम किया, हरियाणा में खराब कर दिया, फिर हिमाचल में अच्छा किया, फिर उत्तराखंड में खराब कर दिया, फिर यूपी बिहार में बड़ा खराब काम किया, बंगाल में अच्छा कर दिया, और राजस्थान और मध्य प्रदेश में तो 2018 में अच्छा किया, 2023 में गड़बड़ कर दिया। मगर फिर साहब तेलंगाना में, कर्नाटक और तमिलनाडु में बड़ा अच्छा काम करता, असम में गड़बड़ कर देता है। मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी जी को, देश की जनता को वो समझने का प्रयास नहीं करना चाहिए। वो शब्द जो उनके लिए प्रयोग होता था वो प्रयोग होना बंद हो गया।
Nyamika is live with us. Nyamika, the EC says that those who have been removed from the list have either passed away or they have shifted completely and they still have a month for the redressal. What's the opposition's response going to be now?
Well, the opposition is continuously making this allegation upon the BJP as well as the Election Commission of India that this is nothing but just an attempt on the part of the BJP to remove those names of the voters who are not going to vote for them in the upcoming Bihar Assembly election. They are saying that this is an attack upon the fundamental right of every citizen to vote, and that is the reason why from the very first day of the parliament session we have seen that how the opposition parties are continuously holding protests within the parliament. In fact, outside the parliament also there was a protest which was being organized by the opposition parties, Mahagathbandhan parties in Patna, in which they are basically trying to give out a message to the entire citizens of Bihar, saying that this is basically being done to attack the minorities, to the Dalits, and that is the only reason why they are also demanding an immediate discussion within the parliament regarding this entire.
Opposition is continuing to say that the poor, the marginalized are not going to be allowed to vote. That's the claim that they have made. The EC, though, has put out these details. Niyamika, we'll have to leave it at that. My apologies. Quick break now. We'll be right back.